The one taking the lead on public briefings was RSP, Director Punangbayan. He was really good at this. I'm sure you'll remember how good he was at making public presentations, at working with the news media. He did a marvelous job of slowly bringing everybody along. At the same time, the scientific team, behind him, the FIVOLCS and USGS team, were working with at lower levels, at the levels of barangay officials, town mayors, and we were trying so hard to get people to understand that they were facing a really dangerous situation.